Guys, Fatty's back with another video, and today we will be doing another knowledge understanding. That's what I want to call it, a knowledge understanding. Today, if you look, and you've already seen it, we're going to be learning about the periodic table of elements. And so, today, it's Friday. For me, it's Friday. What I'll be doing is 2 videos. This and another one. The next one is a surprise for you guys. It's Friday. I want to keep you guys happy. More videos for you and you and you. So, the periodic table of elements. Most people are confused with the Bohr-Rutherford diagram. If you understand it, it's not that hard. Just trying to get it here, my light. Let's go. Make it a little brighter for you guys. So, the Bohr-Rutherford diagram is pretty straightforward. It tells you literally what you have to do. All you need to do is plot it in. And so, let's choose a really simple element. I don't want to choose hydrogen or helium here. It's too simple. Let's choose lithium. So, lithium. And yeah, just a note. In an atom, there are 3 things. So we're going to be talking about lithium. And in an atom, there are electrons, protons, and neutrons. So these 3 things are in an atom. So we're going to be talking about lithium. And the only way to do the Bohr-Rutherford diagram, we need to know the atomic number, which is 3, and the weight, mass weight, which is 6.49, 694. You can round, so to 7. But let's do this. So, what are they? They are in an atom, and they have to be in an atom to make an atom function. So electrons are outside of an atom, and protons and neutrons are inside of an atom. So, with the Bohr-Rutherford diagram, we're mostly focused on the electrons because these are the ones that give energy and make the chemical in an atom move and function properly. So now, lithium. Pretty straightforward thing. So the lithium atomic number. So always keep these things in your head. Atomic number. Let me get this slide a little more brighter on this side so you guys can see. Atomic number, which equals to 3 for lithium. And wait 1 second. And if you see here with me, lithium has weight. And if you look at here, it says atomic mass, which is 6.94. I'm going to go on paper. Then we're going to put atomic mass, which is 6.94. That's pretty straightforward, right? It's 6.94, right? Yes. That's pretty straightforward right there. And now, let me just focus on there. Too much brightness. Yep. So now, you want to do the Bohr-Rutherford diagram. It's pretty easy. Keep straight with me. So first we want to know how many protons and neutrons before we do the electrons, which is the outside. So we have to know these 2 first, and this one. Then at the end is this one. And this one is the most important. Okay? So yeah, the neutrons and protons are most important because we need to know what's inside it. Let me move the light here. Gonna be a little bright here, it's okay. So then we need to see how many protons and neutrons. So the only way we know how many protons is the atomic number. So atomic number equals protons. Atomic mass equal neutrons. You can see with me, neutrons, subtract proton. So what that means, we're going to take this, subtract it with this. So we're going to take this, subtract it with this. Pretty straightforward. We got our proton, but we need to know our neutron. So we're going to do, you can round. If it's 9, about 5 and up, we can round. So it's going to be it's going to be 7 minus 3 equals 4. That's how many neutrons there are. Equals neutrons. Now we got our proton and neutron. This is the beginning of our diagram, Bohr-Rutherford diagram. So what are we going to do? We're going to write there are 3p, which stands for protons. Wait, let me give it space more. 3p, 3 protons, and there are 4 neutrons, 4 neutrons, and then draw a circle around it. So that's your nucleus. So this, when we say there's 3 protons and 4 neutrons in a circle, that means there are 3 protons, 4 neutrons in a nucleus. Now we need to know the electrons, the most important part, which is this one, the outside. So in a Bohr-Rutherford diagram, the first shell is 2. You can put 2 electrons. The second shell, this is first, this is second. You can put up to 8. Third equals 8. Move it over a little bit. Fix that up for you guys. Third one, 8. Fourth one tends to be a little more increasive. But we will get to the fourth. It will equal, I think, to 10. I think it will equal to 10. But I don't think we will reach this far. Because in high school, the most we can get up to is 20 as the atomic number, which is 20 protons and 20 electrons. But I don't think we can go over. Over is probably all university and whatever. You guys get me. Pretty like standard thing. 20 is the proton, is the maximum protons and electrons. When you go up higher, it's more difficult and you need to follow a type of grid, which is not necessary in high school. So here we got 3 protons, 4 neutrons. Do not draw on the nucleus 2 in here. Like, do not do this. Literally putting 2 electrons here. But that 2 electrons means it's on the nucleus. It's not on the nucleus. It's around. So we draw another shell. This shell consists of only 2. So if you see the first shell we draw around the nucleus is going to only consist of 2 electrons. We can put it anywhere we want. Here. So let's continue. So you can put the electrons either here, or it's your choice, whatever you want. You make the circle full and you can put it right here. It's your choice, whatever you want. So now we got 2 electrons. We need 3 because how many protons there are how many electrons there are. So we're going to draw another ring, another shell, you would call it. We have 2, put here, 3. Pretty much that's lithium. Pretty easy, right? Let's try. So, let's continue. So that's for lithium. Okay. So now we're going to go to a different element. I practice on here. Let's choose a good element. Either beryllium, sodium. Let's do sodium. And I'm going to copy the name, element name. Come on, man. Choose a pen. Element name. And then 11 as atomic number equals 11. Atomic mass equals 22.99. If your teacher tells you to write the mass, don't write it. Don't literally just round it. Don't. Put it as what it is, and then when you want to do, and then when you're gonna do the diagram, then you round it or subtracting, then you round it, because it's gonna be a little different, because there's another one that is 23 thing. 23 mass, atomic mass. So now let's continue. We got sodium. So then we got 11, atomic number. And we know that 11 equals to protons and electrons. And that's what we know. The atomic number equaling to protons and neutrons, and electrons. And then the mass number equals neutrons. So first, always, before doing anything, try to find the neutron amount, which is this other one. I'm going to do atomic mass. Let me write this formula. Atomic mass minus atomic number equals neutrons. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Let's continue. So then we know we have 11 protons, so we have 11p. We need to know the neutrons. Now we can round it, so it's going to be 23. And 23 minus 11 is going to be 12, so it's going to be 12 neutrons. Draw the first shell. This one's interesting, because there's more than 10. It's going to be good. So then we're going to draw another shell, as what I taught you. So let me write this again. Shell number 1 equals 2e. Shell number 2 equals 8e. Shell number 3 equals 8e. Shell number 4 equals 10e. But I don't think we'll be needing 4, so forget about that. We're going to be probably using only the first one, this one. Well, actually, no. We're going to be using the third shell, too. So then we're going to draw one circle here, one electron here. Actually, no, let me make it in a different location if it's too small. So you guys can see here. So 11p, 12n, circle, shell number 2. Draw 2 here. Shell number 3. You can draw up to 8. So what I like to do, spread them around. 1 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Now we got 10. We need 11. So make another shell. Because I don't have space here, actually I do. Right here. That is a sodium Rutherford diagram, or an atom. I would like to call it. So pretty much that's what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more. And of course, I'm not going to miss out. There's going to be another video. Surprise for you guys. Please like and subscribe because I need the help from you guys. to know if you need more or need less. See you later, guys, for the next video. Peace, peace, peace.